In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up automatic late fees in HoneyBook. Start by signing in to your HoneyBook account, then go to the invoice you want to change. This is the invoice where the late fee rule will be added, so make sure you open the correct one before moving on. If you have more than one invoice for the same client or project, take a second to confirm that you are editing the one you plan to send. Once the invoice is open, look for the payment settings for that invoice and open them. This is where HoneyBook keeps the options that control how the client pays, along with any related payment rules. You may already see your existing payment terms here, so review the section as you open it to stay oriented. Inside the payment settings area, find the option labeled Apply Client Late Fees and turn it on. This activates the late fee feature for the invoice you are editing. If the option is currently off, the invoice will not include an automatic late fee, so make sure the setting changes to the active position before continuing. After that, enter the percentage you want to charge as a late fee. HoneyBook allows a range from 1% to 10%, so type a value within that range. Choose the percentage that matches the terms you want attached to this invoice. Be careful not to enter a number outside the allowed range, because that may prevent the setting from being accepted. With the late fee percentage entered, review the rest of the payment settings on the invoice. This is the point to check that the late fee is turned on and that the percentage is correct. If you need to adjust anything else in the payment settings while you are here, make those changes now before saving. The goal is to confirm that the invoice reflects the payment setup you want your client to receive. When everything looks right, click Update and Share. This saves your changes and sends the updated invoice to your client. If HoneyBook takes a moment to process the update, wait for it to finish so the changes are fully applied. Once this step is complete, the invoice will reflect the late fee settings you just added. This process is done directly from the invoice, which means you can control late fees on a case-by-case basis as you update each one. As long as you open the right invoice, turn on Apply Client Late Fees, enter a percentage between 1 and 10, review the payment settings, and then select Update and Share. The updated terms will be saved and sent out with that invoice. Your HoneyBook invoice now has automatic late fees enabled, and the updated version has been shared with your client.